Ever since Bermaz Motors took over Kia from Naza, everyone has been wondering what are models that Bermaz Motors could bring into the Malaysian market. This is the answer: the 2022 Kia Sportage and the e-Niro EV. And also, these two new models may be going to assemble locally CKD too. First, let's talk about the 5th generation Kia Sportage. The new 2022 Kia Sportage has been planned to launch by Q1 2022 and to assemble locally too. The Korean carmaker has been putting effort into the car for making it different from the others. Here on the Sportage, the front end of the SUV features the latest iteration of the brand's Tiger nose grille design, now bookended by boomerang-shaped LED DRLs which serve as boundary lines to the headlamps, says Kia. For the Malaysian spec, the car will be equipped with a 1.8 Litre TGDI 4-cylinder engine with 180 PS or 178 horsepower at 265 Nm. Fitted with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the SUV is eligible to go 12.5 km per litre of combined fuel consumption. For the pricing, we expect it to start from 125,000 ringgit for the lower spec and hit the price of 150,000 ringgit for the full spec-out model. Next on the fully electric e-Niro EV. The Kia e-Niro EV is a V-segment electric crossover introduced in 2019. The hatchback-style crossover has been fitted with an electric motor with up to 201 PS and an incredible 395 Nm of torque. The EV crossover is available with two battery pack options, a 39.2 kWh battery, and a 64 kWh battery. The maximum range for the smaller battery is 288 km and 455 km for the larger battery. The 39.2 kWh battery with 200